Hey everybody, this is Tammy McCray here. I just had to come on here today. I had a really good, productive day. Dropped off a pair of socks to a hip-hop artist. I'm really happy that he's going to be rocking my things, hopefully real soon. His partners, trying to get them on board as well. But you know, I'm just so thankful for how far I've come. This time last year, I have to share, and I don't know why I'm saying this, but this is to encourage anybody that's a small business and they're really trying to put their business on the map. This time last year, my website was being worked on. I had my sock, but I only had a sample. Now I actually have, thank you, I actually have 3 socks that are completely done. I have a 4th one that's on the way. I have a men's dress shirt that's in development right now. And I don't want to give too much away because I have some other stuff that's coming as well, but this is for any small business that is really trying to go somewhere. Tammy McCray is really trying to bust open the market with innovation and new ideas. I am female, but I love menswear. And I love men that like to look good and like to feel good about themselves. And that's the most important thing. Again, I'm just so grateful. And for anybody out there that's really trying to take their business to the next level, don't give up. Life is going to continue to happen around you. Today is Saturday. I am not supposed to be working today, but when you're trying to grow your business, my empire, every day is a work day. Trying to turn it off is very difficult. Some of you guys may understand that and some of you guys may not, but it is. It's a everyday thing. Every day you're doing something to grow your business, and I'm grateful for all the support that I have been given. Just you guys just going and looking at my website, that is support. A lot of people don't realize that you don't necessarily have to spend money to support a business. If you go and just look at the website and just spread awareness, that's support in another form. So for all of you guys that don't know me, hi, I'm Tammy McCray. My website is tammymccray.com. I am a menswear accessories designer. Right now, we're pushing our socks, but we have other stuff that's coming really soon. And I am so happy to meet you guys, and I'm so happy to be here. Have a great Saturday. Bye, everybody.